Hello students, this is Preeti Damle, your English teacher of Mount Itra Z School Jhansi. Students, today we are going to study English grammar from a new enjoying grammar. So let us take a quick recap of what is simple past and the past continuous tenses. As I already told you in the videos which were posted earlier. Simple past tense is used to talk about actions that were started and completed in the past. It is often used with expressions that refer to points of time in the past, such as last year, yesterday, 5 minutes ago, and so on. Like, for example, he completed his assignment at the end of last year. Or, on New Year's Day last year, we threw a grand party. Now it said, we also use simple past tense to report a sequence of events that happened in the past. Like, for example, this morning I cooked food, cleaned the house, and washed the clothes. Clear? In simple terms, you use D or ED with the verb. Next, we have past continuous tense. We use past continuous tense for an action which was taking place and was interrupted by a shorter action. Or you can say we use simple past tense for this shorter interrupting action. Like, for example, I was walking on the beach when suddenly I saw the waves receding. It said it is also used to describe a regular action in the past. Like, John was always complaining about something or the other. Next, he says we can use both past continuous tense and simple past tense with adverbial clauses of time, like when the tsunami struck. Yes, when is showing what? The time. Yes, the time when the tsunami struck. Now, past continuous tense tells us what was happening up to the point at which the tsunami struck. Like, for example, when the tsunami struck, I was sleeping in my hotel room. Okay? Next, simple past tense tells us what happened afterwards. Like, when the tsunami struck, I looked at the destruction it had caused. Now, I had already told you about simple past, positive and negative forms, question tags. So here we'll take a quick look. Simple past tense, it uses the verb form D or ED. Yes, like pull becomes pulled, believe. Now, there are certain spelling changes when we use irregular verbs. Like think becomes thought, go becomes went. For example, it was 6 in the morning. Past continuous tense. He says we use was and were plus ing form of the verb to show the continuous form and was and were to show your past. Like, for example, the early risers were walking on the beach. Second, we were laughing and running. Next, negative form of the sentence, simple past. We use did not, which is also known as didn't, with the bare form of the verb. Like, for example, fortunately, it did not reach the hotel. Past continuous tense, negative form. We use was not, which is called wasn't, or were not, that is weren't with ing form of the verb. Like, my brother wasn't staying with us when the tsunami struck. Next we have question forms. Simple past will use did. Did plus the subject plus the bare infinitive. Like, did you see the waves recede? Or we can write it in another way. Where did you find the book? Past continuous form, again we'll use was and were plus subject plus ing form of the verb. Like, were you sleeping when I rang the bell? Or where was UV studying before he joined this school? Okay. Now we'll discuss certain exercises. Exercise 1, he says to tick the correct verbs to complete these sentences. So the first one has already been done. Second one, my friend dash me when I dash him that I met the famous actor Tom Cruise. So my friend didn't believe me when I told him. Next, I dash doing the work that my mother asked me to do. So I didn't like. My neighbor dash up the curtains where the doorbell rang. So was hanging. The children dash a good time, so they dashed to go home. The children were having, therefore didn't want to go home. Next, Jeet dash well after having eaten the pastry. So Jeet wasn't feeling. The girls dash excitedly in the courtyard and dash to come in when it began raining. So the girls were playing and didn't want. Can you tell me when you dash the loud bang heard? Now exercise number 2 and 3, you will do it in your notes copy. Is that clear, students? So come to number 4. He says complete these sentences with the correct forms of the verbs in the box. Okay, so here I begin. I was getting ready to go to school when I saw the sky suddenly change color. I was scared, so I ran to my parents' room. Jacob, I was driving home from the airport after dropping my brother there. I heard a loud bang as another car crashed into mine. Ali, I was walking my dog on the beach when he suddenly started barking. I felt that something was wrong. I decided to find out. Okay. Next, we have a conversation. Like, Sonu, did you study mathematics while you were at the university? Yes, I did. Aftab, did you visit the Qutub Minar when you were in Delhi? Asha, no, I did not. There was no time. Gopal, I called you at 8 o'clock, but your phone was engaged. Whom were you talking to? Next, Anna, I dash to my grandmother. It's her birthday today, so I was talking. Naina, stop dash will you? So stop shouting will you? And Noor, but I was not shouting. It was Tina. Okay.